In the workflow view, you can filter, sort, and group your work items. Work items are any entities used in your company workflows, such as tasks, issues, or cases. After choosing the workflow view from the drop-down menu above a table, you can work with it as in the table view. You can resize table columns, reorder them, hide them, edit values, simply anything you can do in the table view. In the workflow view, the filters and sorts are seen directly in the table header. You can choose to sort the records by any column directly in there. You can filter the data by constructing your own filter. Just click on the column and select the Add New Filter option. Set the desired conditions and apply it to the records. The great advantage of the workflow view is the ability to group records by an attribute of your choice. For every unique value, Lumeer will then create a separate section of the table. If the chosen attribute is a date, you can configure the grouping further. You can choose to group the records by days, weeks, months, and more. You can also group the records by an associated attribute from a linked table. For example, if you have tasks that are linked to the projects, you can group them by a project name. You can do this by adding the relation to the search query and choosing the project name as the grouping attribute. The workflow view allows you to also display and work with multiple tables at once. To add an additional table, add it to the search query. They are then displayed below each other and you can group each table by a different attribute. You can also resize the tables horizontally as you wish. There is also a detailed view of the records available after clicking on them. There you can see all the values of the records, comments, and activity.